That's a story for a different day. The thing is, we are seeing an intense geomagnetic storm right now, and that has these northern lights, or aurora borealis, if you want to call them that, all the way down to the south here in East Texas, which is very impressive because it has happened a few times now over the last couple of years. I'm not going to name my source here, but this was from Lindale, and you can see beautiful coloration in those lights, and we've got more viewer photos that we are now going to share with you, and these are just stunning, especially this far south. I mean, you can just see some of these photos. That's a beautiful one there. Look at that residential area being able to be seen by a lot of smartphones, even the naked eye at times. Just a very weird deal, but again, it does happen from time to time where we do see the northern lights across East Texas, but just take it in, folks. I mean, that's beautiful and a phenomenon. But there you go. And again, we could continue to see this tonight and possibly even very early tomorrow morning before the sun comes up. Let's shift gears now. Let's talk about the forecast. And as you can see, high temperatures kind of all over the place. We're at 78 Wednesday, and then we're in the 80s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then back into the 70s Sunday and Monday. So enjoy this fall-like day while it lasted, because we will feel more like early fall as opposed to late fall. 34 was your low at Tyler this morning. 68 was the high temperature. And as we look at satellite and radar, we're very dry here in the Lone Star State, but I do expect this to change here fairly soon. And either late this weekend or early next week, we're going to see a storm system move in from the west. And as that happens, we could very well see a chance of showers and thunderstorms across the area. The timing of this storm system, which I do expect to be intense to our northwest, the timing is still up in the air. Lots of question marks there. Right now, I'm thinking Monday and Tuesday of next week. That's going to be our best bet at rain. But as we look at the next 7 days from a rainfall standpoint, we could see up to an inch of rain. Low temperatures tonight will fall into the 40s and 50s, and as I mentioned, not quite as cool as what we saw this morning or the night before. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon, about 10 degrees warmer than today. We'll be in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Here's a look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook through November 21st. Temperatures looking like we will be at or above normal over the next several days. From a rainfall standpoint, we are going to see a more active weather pattern. Again, it's all about the timing of the storm system now. It's a matter of if as opposed, or it's a matter of when as opposed to if. But as we look at the next 7 days, best chance of rain early next week. Temperatures will be in the 70s and 80s for highs. Lows will be in the 50s and 60s. And then deep East Texas, same deal, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Plenty of sunshine around. Better chances of storms early next week. For the latest weather forecast, you can find that on our website. That is fox51.com.